Yeah, so we're just gearing up to start this kitchen installation. It's going to be a good one, quite a bit of detail and a little bit to work through. We're going to be finishing from this wall right through exactly to this architrave here. I don't like to use packers or infills, if you like. They have their place. If this was a block wall or something like that where you need to scribe to, it works fine there. Or if it's an old house, like a 100-year-old house, and the wall might be out of plumb by a whole lot, then that's where we use a packer. I don't like to use them, other people do. To me it's a bit of a cheat code, so we won't do that. We need it all to line up perfectly, 6mm negative detail to the ceiling. We'll have a Fisher & Paykel integrated fridge, the RS90AU. And everything needs to work perfectly into this corner, bifold corner appliance garage, and a whole lot of detail at the top meeting up perfectly. So yeah, today, like everything, preparation is key. Get the preparation right and then the job will go smoothly. We'll get the lasers out and we'll take a whole lot of measurements, make sure everything's right, and then we'll make a start and we'll go from there.